So guys, I'm doing this small video to for those who didn't understand how the radials and and courses actually work, or for anyone who wants to see this short video about radials and courses a little bit simplified. So let's say we are in Portugal, okay? In Portugal, we have our capital, Lisbon, and we have two major highways, which are Alpha 1, who goes, who is born in Lisbon and goes north, and the Alpha 2, which goes south, okay? And doing a quick reference, imagine that you're going on Alpha 1 and you have an accident. You're gonna call for help, okay? And you're gonna say, okay, I'm on Alpha 1. And the first thing that they are going to ask you is which way were you going? Were you going north? Okay, were you going north? Or were you going south? Right? Because you have two ways of traveling. You can either go on the north lane or on the south lane. And this is basically the course. If you're going north, you're on course north. And if you're going south, you're on course south. So basically, that's it. And in Alpha 2, the same thing. If you have an accident, you have to tell them if you were going south or north. So you have to tell them your course to know in which lane you are. Okay? So you can, if you are on Alpha 1, you can either go on course south or course north, and if you're on Alpha 2, you can either go on course south or course north. So what's the radials? So Alpha 1, it's one radial, and Alpha 2, it's another radial. It's like Alpha 1, it's radial 360, and Alpha 2, it's radial 180. Okay? And now making a reference, because we just exemplified that in one radial or in one highway, we can either go two courses, north or south. But if you're following a certain course, let's say you live in south of Portugal and you just tell your family, okay, I'm going to travel and I'll just go north and see where it takes me, okay? First you're gonna travel through Alpha 2 on course north, and then passing Lisbon, you're going to continue on your course north via Alpha 1. So for a certain radial, you have two courses. We already got there, but in a certain course, we already have two radials. Okay, if I come up from here, and if I'm here, and if I maintain Alpha 1 course northbound for long enough, I will pass Lisbon, which represents my VOR, and then I will continue on Alpha 1 still northbound. So if I want to travel northbound, I'll have two radials, okay? Alpha 2 and Alpha 1, which basically are radial 180 and radial 360. Okay, southbound, the same thing, all right? So if I'm going southbound, first I'm going through Alpha 1 and then through Alpha 2. So for the course southbound, or for the course 180, okay, course CRS, Charlie Romeo Sierra. In course 180, we are going to proceed via Alpha 1 and Alpha 2, or in other words, radial 360 and then radial 180. Okay? Once again, here, okay, we have a line of position, radial 360, which is the line that radiates from the VOR to 360. And then we have here radial 180, which is the line of position that radiates from the VOR to 180. and I can be in radial 360 going south or going north, going south or going north. I can be on radial 180 going south or going north. Okay, so in each radial I have two courses, and on the same course I'll have two radials. Okay, I am on radial 180, 180, 180 VOR, and now 360, 360, 360, all the way, always maintaining course 360. On course 180, I'm on radial 360, 360, 360 VOR, and now I'm on radial 180, 180, 180, and I always maintained course 180. Okay, guys, if you just watched this video and you didn't watch the first one, I recommend you to do that. First watch the other video, and then if you don't understand, watch this one. I hope that I could help you a little bit with this video, and for any other doubts, or if you want private explanations or private lessons, whatever, I leave my my email on the description of the video, so down there. I don't say like this video and click the notifications button, because I'm not doing this for I'm not doing this for money. I'm not doing this for to have a great YouTube channel. I just want to help you out with these tools. I'm basically doing what I think I could have benefit. I could have benefit from this when I was a student. So I'm doing this for you, so you can actually go to your flights really well prepared. And if you go to your flights and you don't understand, maybe with these videos you can well perform a little bit better the next flight. Or if you just want and like to watch these aviation videos and how things work. So this is the end of the first part called definitions, and now I'm going to do another video with the actual HSI, and and then how to know in which radial am I, and how to intercept radials and maintain radials. All right, see you in a bit.